Good day guys, and welcome back again to our channel. Alright, so today's update is about the ARI Wallet registration that we've all been waiting for, and it is finally out. Okay, so if you can see on your dashboard, you are going to see that it says submit your task proof. Okay, so and this is what I'm going to do right now in this video. So before we continue, you can see update from their X account, which says the ARI Wallet in-app information registration update has completed. Okay, so please, these are what you're going to do now. You're just going to do three things. Okay, so please complete the following steps. Register your EVM wallet address. Okay, so say enter a wallet address such as MetaMask. Do not use your ARI wallet address. Please take note, do not use your ARI wallet address. So you can use any EVM wallet like MetaMask, a Bitget wallet, and a whole lot of them. So second one is Twitter handle. Enter your Twitter handle, including the ads. Okay. Then your Discord handle. Go to Discord, my account, and enter your username, not your display name. So please make sure to complete this process. Once again, we want to emphasize that we do not connect or access your wallet directly. Be careful of scam links and fake announcements. So this is the information right away, and we are going to do it right now. If you're on the channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on our notification to get all the latest updates we post on this channel. You can also join our Telegram channel with the link in the video description for more updates. So now click on submit your task proof. Now it says, okay, so these are the three things they say we should submit. Submit your EVM wallet address. So I'm going to use my MetaMask. You can also use Bitget wallet. Perhaps I can show you the both of them. Okay. So on MetaMask, you just need to open your MetaMask wallet. Okay. Once you've done that, all right, just let it go. So you can see once you come here, what you simply need to do is simply click on receive. All right. Then on receive, you can see Ethereum here. So Ethereum is your EVM wallet. Copy the Ethereum address here. Okay. All right. So that is copied. Also, it's as simple as that. If you want to use Bitget wallet, for example, let's see where it is. Bitget wallet. This is my Bitget wallet. You can just open Bitget wallet like this, and okay, so click on wallet down here. You can click on receive. So you can see by token or by network. Click on by network here. Okay. So you're going to see the BNB chain, the Solana, and the like. So you can see Ethereum down here. So you copy the Ethereum address as well from here. So once you've done that, I've already showed you the two wallets you can use. We have more of them, but these are the at least the closest ones to us right now. So once you've copied the address, then come back again. Then enter the address here. Alright. So submit your Discord handle as well as your X handle. Okay. So for X is very simple. This is my X handle. Alright. Then let's go to Discord to see where our handle is as well. Alright. Now once you are here on your Discord, then go to your profile down here, okay? At the top, at the bottom right corner, okay? Then click on your bio again. Then click on accounts You can see the account as the second one here. Okay. Let me just go back a little bit. So just click downward again where you first saw the U. So you're going to click that place 2 times, right? Then click on accounts. So you can see the differences. Here is the display name, and here is the username. So my username is always the guide mode, right? You can just simply come here and guide mode. Okay. So just make sure everything is correct. Then you can click on verify your ARI wallet balance. Alright. So your ARI wallet balance. This is the ARI balance I have, and this is the ARI balance I have. Okay, so click on submit if you make sure everything is correct. Task proof submitted successfully. To complete your proof submission, please enter the same information: wallet address, Discord handle, and Twitter handle using your submitted Discord account. Then you can click on Go Home now. Alright. So please resubmit if you need to edit your X, Discord, or EVM wallet address. Okay. Otherwise, it has been submitted successfully. If you want to edit it, then come here and just edit in case you want to make any change. So, and I think this is going to take effect after 17 days or so. 17 days, 21 hours, and that is almost 18 days to come. So that is it for now, and I do hope you enjoy it. If you're still facing any problem while doing this, don't forget, just drop the comments and I'll be attending to you all. And I hope you do find it useful. Hope to see you in the next one.